So what can you do if you encounter any problems? Let's talk about troubleshooting and typical mistakes. When holding the lens, make sure not to leave any fingerprints on it. When you attach the smartphone to the back piece of the adapter, make sure not to scratch the camera lens. While you use the adapter, check frequently the position of the camera lens in relation to the light source. Both need to be as close as possible and on the same level. Position the camera in a way that you are still seeing a little bit of the back piece on the left-hand side. This will prevent seeing a dark crescent-like rim on the fundus image. If there is a crescent, move the camera and the light source closer together. Check whether the lens is in correct position at all 4 edges. When you acquire images, zoom in far enough that you can no longer see the surrounding scene. For taking out the lens, hold the lens closely over a soft surface. Gently widen the mount so that the lens falls out. Always use spectacle cloths or special cleaning tissues. Never ever use regular paper tissues for cleaning of the lens.